So sorry, we didn't get that first illustration, but we'll pick up here for the virtual students. All right, page 655, your turn, number 3. All right, now, go ahead. Let's see. Elise, can you read that aloud for me?
William is 6 feet tall. To find the height of a tree, he measures his shadow and the tree's shadow. The measurements of the two shadows are shown. Find the height h of the tree.
All right, now this is actually a tree. I know. I'm a great artist. Last period, I had Evan Johnson in class, and I said, Evan, it looks like you, because his hair is... It's quite funny. This is a tree, not a person. Hope. That's a tree. How tall is a tree? Do we not know?
No.
We do not know, so we're going to put that, we'll just say that's H. Okay? And then it says shadow, right? How far was the shadow of the person? Look at the triangle. 8 feet, thank you. And then how far is the shadow of the tree? 28. You guys see what we're doing here? You getting the idea? So we've got two triangles that we're going to compare now. These two triangles are similar. Okay? Now, this is a little different than what the book shows you. Here's how I like to do it. I like to compare from small to large. From one triangle to another. So like 8 is to 28. That would be small triangle to large triangle. As the height of Liam is to the height of the tree. You see? So I like to keep it, the book does it within the same triangle. I like to do it like this. So small to large, keep it straight. Does that make sense? Cross multiply, 8h then is equal to, what's that? 48, 12, 168. And then we solve, and the height of the tree, 21 feet. So it's kind of a real life example of finding the height of a tree. Now you got to know other info, length of the shadow and stuff like that. But got it? Okay, good. Let's do another one. One more. We'll make sure you. This is your turn, number 5. Your turn, number 5. On the next page. So we've got a river. We've got a river, and we're trying to find the distance across the river. We're going to call that D. So you got to look at the picture. That's the distance across the river. And then we've got two triangles created. Hope you're with me. Okay. Look at this triangle. This is 12. And then this is, what, 6? And then this is 12. So now, one thing you got to be careful of is that you match up the corresponding sides. I don't want to match up 12 and 12 because then that would make these triangles congruent. And we're not dealing with congruent triangles. We're dealing with similar triangles. And so the 6 has to match up with the 12. So we'll go 6 is to 12, this triangle to that triangle, as 12 is to D. Yes. Can you look at this and say, Garrett, if this is 6 and this is 12, how are they related? Or multiply by 2, right? Either way. So if this is 12, then what's D? D is 24. That's right. Meters or feet or whatever they're measuring. But you can cross multiply, Laney. If I were to cross multiply, what would it be? What would be my equation? (6D) equals, can you do 12 times 12 in your head? 144. Okay, then you divide by 6. All right, questions? They do not get more difficult than that. That is, you got the conversions you got to be careful of. Oh, let me walk you through that real quick. if I've got both, I've got 6 feet, 8 inches. What would the decimal be?
The decimal would be 8 divided by 12.
6, and then 8 divided by 12, which is?
Can't say I know off the top of my head.
Divided both by 4,
Oh, 2/3.
which is decimal.
0.66.
Very good. So you see, you can't just say 6 feet 8 inches is 6.8. It's close, but that's not accurate. Okay? And so your conversions, when you have feet and inches, make a difference. They will change your problem. Okay? That makes sense? Questions? All right, good. This is your assignment. It's on page, it starts on page 657. You start with number 2 and you go to number 13. Like I've told you, 30 minutes at most. Get it submitted onto Canvas. Most of you will get done here today. You're welcome to submit. Any questions? Let me know.